Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the sample collection quest on Kohana Island and face it. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to the Kohana Island and then just look for this scientist NPC, this one, this scientist Jameson, and then next just talk to him and accept the quest. And then next just open your quest menu. Open your quest menu and then just tap on sample collections, and then in here you will be asked to find 10 sample locations around the island, and then next just follow the flag markers scattered across Kohana Island. Just pay attention to the locations that I'm visiting like this. These are the exact spots where the samples are located. First is on the under the cliff of the laboratory like this, and then next in the Kohana Volcano, this one at the entrance, and then on these locations over here, this one, and then next you can also found it over here, and then on the Kohana Volcano again, and then on the near of the waterfall like this, and then over here near the tree like this, and then behind the Kohana volcano, and then over here, and the last is in here like this. And once you have collected everything, just return to the scientist NPC to complete the quest and claim your rewards like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.